Baby, I'm still doing me and I'm gonna achieve my goals so that I can show them that it's possible. So I'm on YouTube right now. You're watching me, but I should be watching you. Come on. There's no reason why you shouldn't be on YouTube. Hey, come on. There's no reason why you shouldn't be on YouTube. Y'all are missing out on the bag. Y'all are missing out on that YouTube check because you're afraid of long form content. But let me just tell you, now is the best time to get on YouTube. Like, there's no reason not to be on YouTube right now because they're pushing out smaller creators. Like, I used to want to be a YouTuber back when 2011, 2010, when I was 11 years old. I started a YouTube channel, but it's not this channel. I started a new one and I grew this one because I had to get out of those unhealthy habits of stopping and starting. I had to get out of that habit of caring about what people thought about me. I had to get out of those unhealthy habits. Those things will keep you from achieving your goals. But let me just tell you, if you're not on YouTube right now, you need to get on YouTube. There is no reason for you not to be here, especially since TikTok is being a little unstable. They're a little rocky over there. So they're wanting new creators to come over here to create content. And y'all, long form content is not scary. It's as easy as doing what I'm doing right now. Sitting back, making videos. Like, there's no reason to be afraid. Okay, like, just show people who you are. If you can do it in the short form realm, you can do it in the long form realm. Just sit down and talk to the camera and tell people more about you. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Katera. I am a stay-at-home mom, 24 years old, of 2 little boys, 2 under 3. Baby, I'm still doing me and I'm gonna achieve my goals so that I can show them that it's possible. So I'm on YouTube right now. You're watching me, but I should be watching you. If you are already a creator over there on those other apps like TikTok and IG, or Instagram, I should say, because I know YouTube doesn't censor words, but TikTok does. So I'm kind of in the habit of like censoring my words. If you're already a content creator over there, just repurpose your content from over there to here with YouTube Shorts. If you want to grow a channel and you don't know how to make long form content just yet, just repurpose your shorts. You can utilize repurpose.io. I use that to repurpose my content across all platforms and I love it. It is a paid program, but I mean, hey, it's useful. Or you can do it manually. You can just download your content and then put it over there. There's no reason not to be over here, especially if they have those 2 separate ways. Now you can also now link longer form videos to your short form videos. So like, say for instance, you're posting a YouTube short, it asks you like, is there a related video to this? You can link another short or you can link a longer form video, which is what I'm going back through my videos to go do because why not? You know, like, let's bring more traffic. Let's get the traffic going. And so now, more than ever, the algorithm on YouTube is favoring smaller niche down creators. Now, I'm not saying you got to really just niche, but figure out what you want to talk about. Figure out what you want to be known for or who you want to be known for. And just start making content. Just start creating or start repurposing your content. And there has been a good amount of creators that have gone viral and gotten monetized within like 12 days by just utilizing a simple strategy of sitting down in front of the camera, talking to your audience and building a relationship with them. Like, I feel like I'm on FaceTime with y'all right now. Even though you're not responding, when you respond to me in the comments, I'm going to respond right back to you. Okay, we are besties, we are locked in. But I want you guys to be over here just like I am. I want you guys to be making content just like me. There's no reason why. There's room for all of us. We gotta just get started and stay consistent. But you can do it. YouTube is really pushing out smaller creators right now. I wouldn't be saying this and I wouldn't be sitting here if this wasn't the best time to be on this app. Or I should say this platform. It's not just the app. Now, YouTube is definitely creator friendly. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you because there are so many different ways to monetize. Now, we know TikTok was giving that coin, but there was only certain ways and certain requirements that you have to have. Now, I know so many people dread the 4,000 watch hours. I was gonna say $4,000. The 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subs. But I mean, if you guys really stay consistent with something, you can reach that. I'm on my journey to that right now. As you're watching this video, that's what I'm doing. And it's really not as unattainable as it sounds. Like, you can do that as long as you're just figuring out what you want to talk about and talking about it. But you can get monetized through AdSense, so that's ads on your videos. You can get monetized through, they have like an affiliate little portion now. You can put affiliate links under your videos. Now I think you do have to have a certain amount of followers for that. I mean, subscribers. But I mean, that's neither here nor there. As soon as you get those 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subs, you can get that AdSense. You can create memberships, sell merch. You can do so many different things, y'all. And also put your little links in your description. Like, there's so many ways and there's such a greater audience to reach here. So I feel like you should definitely be on YouTube. Come on. There's no reason why you shouldn't be on YouTube. Hey, come on. There's no reason why you shouldn't be on YouTube. If you don't know, I'm always making a song out of stuff. Like, that's just me. I'm sorry. But also, just like Pinterest, y'all, I love Pinterest. I'm a Pinterest girly. I've been teaching people how to monetize Pinterest, but not only is Pinterest an evergreen platform, YouTube is an evergreen platform. Say for instance, if you posted a video 10 years ago, when all of us were wanting to be YouTubers when we were in elementary school, right? And we were all posting content. That video from when you were like 10 like me, is probably still on YouTube. I'm sure if y'all were typing in my name, y'all can find my other channel. Now, I don't even care. Y'all can go find my other channel. Y'all just see my growth. It is what it is. It is what it is. But that video has been on there, and I'm sure if enough people went to go watch it, it might go viral, because all it takes is a little bit of engagement for people to be like, okay, or for the algorithm to say, okay, people are watching this video again, and they're gonna push it right back out. It's evergreen, meaning your content is going to live on this app. So like I was saying, it's the perfect time. TikTok has shown its instability. TikTok has shown that they would just cut us off as soon as they don't like something. No, it ain't them, it's us. But really, the way that they cut us off last night, I don't like that. I don't like that. I know they're trying to come back today, but I don't like that. I didn't like that, because I was in the middle of doing, I was on live and everything. They just shut me down. They shut me off. Just like everybody else in the US. We were all on these other apps like, okay, now what? I don't like that. YouTube isn't gonna do that to us. They haven't done it in 20 years. So what makes y'all think they would do it now? Or almost 20 years. What makes y'all think they would do it now? They want us over here. They want us to make content. YouTube Shorts makes it easier to grow. And like I said, y'all just repurpose your content. No reason to think too hard about it. There's no reason to think too hard. And YouTube is constantly growing and investing into its smaller creators. At this point next year, I want YouTube to send me a PR box or something. I want to be on a brand trip or something. I don't know what this is going to lead to, but I know God is going to continue to bless me, and I know that he wants to bless you too. I know it. I know he wants to have you on this. If you have a desire to be on here making videos, it don't matter what your videos are about. And if you don't have a camera, get this phone, turn it this way, and record. So it doesn't matter if you are a small creator or a big creator. Get on YouTube. Like I said, use your phone and record your videos. Just get on here. Get on YouTube now. So just pick a niche. Start posting consistently. Record the video. Don't worry about what the video looks like. Just go back and look at your growth as you go. Okay? We're not worried about perfection right now. We're worried about mastering the skill of getting in front of the camera and posting the content. Just post the content. Quit worrying about it. Just do it now. But make sure that you're using shorts, optimize your titles, give value to your audience in some shape, form, or fashion, and you have the formula to success on this platform. Now, I love y'all. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's just get on here and connect with one another. We are here for each other. I'm here for you. So y'all put in the comments if you already are on here. Put your channel name in the comments. But if you're not on here already, let's also answer the question of, what is something that's stopping you from starting right now? So that maybe I can help you get out of that mind block. Because you need to be here like yesterday.